Hi! In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in Magic Fluids and get this app from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now select those three lines at the bottom right one. Tap on Set as Live Wallpaper and click on this gear at the top right corner. Now select I accept in First Things First pop-up and manage all of those options however you wish to. When you finished, go back, tap on Set Wallpaper, and now when I go back, I can see that mine has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!